Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel B Ambedkarites. So firstly, I want to introduce myself. Friends, I am the student in one of the premier institute of country, that is IIT, and I belongs to scheduled caste community. Now I come to this YouTube channel. So friends, I made this YouTube channel to make the youth of our country, especially the youth of SC and ST community, to aware about the ideology of Baba Saheb Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, to let them know about his thoughts, about his vision towards his community and country, especially country. And to spread his precious thoughts, I have started this YouTube channel with the name B Ambedkarites, which means follow the ideology of Ambedkar. So let's move, friends. Now the question may arise in your mind that why we should opt for this channel, or why we should follow this channel. So I want to explain these things with the help of these points. So first one is, in this channel I will try to provide the collection of speeches and discussion of the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, which were given by him pre-independence and post-independence also. And with these videos you can come to know about the vision, thoughts and perspective of Baba Saheb towards the youth, country and his community. You will also come to know about various facts that you don't know till now, or if you know them, you have interpreted them wrongly, or you made to interpret them wrongly by some influenced peoples who don't want to spread the ideologies of Ambedkar. For example, BBC interviews of Ambedkar. I think you might have. I think few of you only have seen that BBC interview of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Second thing, there is one video regarding the opinion of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar regarding the Mahatma Gandhi. So you can see these kind of videos on our YouTube channels. And the second thing is, by seeing these videos you will also know about your responsibility towards your country, towards your community, and especially the SC and ST community friends who are diverted from their actual aim of spreading the thoughts of Ambedkar and the Buddha's means thoughts. And these youth are influenced with the other communities, with other religions, and they have been diverted from their actual paths. So this channel may help them. Thirdly, on this channel you will also get current issues related to the SC/ST communities, which involves the problems related to the Dalits riots which presently happen in the country with the Dalits, and unfair practices towards the Dalit which are being performed today also in our country. So if I talk to current injustice with the Dalit, then if I want to give you recent example, then there is a caste wall is constructed in the Vadampadi area of the Kerala, where some upper caste peoples made this caste wall to keep the Dalits away from the mainstream society. So you will get this kind of issues or this kind of news from our YouTube channel. So you can get the idea that still there is a injustice practice towards the Dalits is still occurring in our society. So you will get this kind of news from our YouTube channel. And lastly, in this YouTube channel I will also discuss that how you can contribute in making our in making हमारा भारत, बाबा साहेब के सपनों का भारत, that is you want, if you want to make our country the ideal country, that is a superpower in the India, so, then the Baba Saheb ideologies are the perfect to be followed to contribute in this direction for our country. So thank you. And now there is a famous quote for this. This is the nara given by the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, that is शिक्षित बनो, संगठित रहो and संघर्ष करो. And it means that be educated, then be unite and struggle for your rights. So friends, that's all. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Comment whatever you have in your mind. You can comment there. I will reply them. And please share this channel, these videos, so that others can also be benefited with these videos. So, and also friends, be Ambedkarites. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat. Namo Buddhaya.